It was just another forgotten machine, swallowed by shadows and time, a monument to stillness, draped in the fine silk of neglect. Then, a whisper of light found its way in, illuminating the intricate lacework of dust and the deep, rich hues of decay. It wasn't just rust, patina of forgotten journeys. Others saw only ruin, a relic destined for oblivion. I saw the ghost of speed, the echo of laughter, a heart still beating beneath the grime. Every scratch, every faded line told a tale. Its story wasn't over. It was merely waiting for someone to listen, to awaken its soul once more. I found it there, a forgotten whisper of what once was. Its silence spoke volumes, a plea for revival, a testament to time's relentless march. Bringing it home felt like a promise, a heavy weight of hope I willingly carried. Each mile we traveled was a step away from its past, a slow, deliberate pull towards a new beginning. The road stretched out, a ribbon of possibility, as the day surrendered its light. We moved forward, leaving trails of memory and anticipation. More than metal, it carried stories, waiting to be retold, waiting for the warmth of a new dawn. This wasn't just a rescue. It was a belief in what could be, a testament to enduring spirit. Some things aren't meant to be left behind. Restoration is never easy. It's a journey through long nights, cold metal, and hands that never quite come clean, demanding endless patience. You push through the grit, the stubborn rust, and the sheer weight of time. But with every focused stroke, every precise turn, something profound shifts. Piece by piece, the forgotten metal begins to breathe again, shedding its past and revealing its true form. Each bolt tightened, every spark ignited, marks a new heartbeat for what was once lost. The steady hum of tools becomes a powerful symphony, a compelling rhythm of rebirth. It's more than just fixing. It's about bringing life back, one meticulous detail at a time. This is the enduring art of making old new again. Witness the moment dullness gives way to brilliance. The canvas receives its breathtaking metallic blue, a finish so deep it captures every glimmer, promising an electrifying presence. This isn't just paint, it's a bold statement. Next, the meticulous integration of cutting-edge illumination. Sleek LED lights redefine its gaze, while performance-driven sports wheels complete the aggressive stance. Inside, a futuristic dashboard awakens, its vibrant glow hinting at unparalleled control and innovation. Every element, from the shimmering exterior to the advanced cockpit, converges into a singular vision. This isn't merely an upgrade, it's a complete metamorphosis, transforming a vehicle into an automotive icon, crafted with passion and precision. The air grew heavy, thick with anticipation. Then, a slow, deliberate rise. As the barrier lifted, a new world began to breathe into existence, pulling me into its orbit. A soft, ethereal glow cut through the lingering haze. And there it was. I froze, just as I knew I would. Not merely a car, but a presence, a statement, commanding every inch of the space. Eyes. Every polished curve, every gleaming line, told a story. It stood proud, alive, reborn, a silent roar of triumph. In that moment, I didn't just see metal and glass. I saw memory. I saw victory. I saw a future finally within reach. The horizon bled orange, painting the asphalt ahead. This wasn't just a drive, it was a communion with the open road, vast and inviting. A whisper of earth rose behind us, a fleeting memory of where we'd been. Each revolution of the wheel was a testament to raw power, a controlled surge forward. The dying light danced across the sculpted metal, a mirror to the sky's fiery embrace. The sun, a brilliant jewel, fractured into streaks of gold and crimson. This was the culmination of a dream, a symphony of speed and light. Every mile etched a new story, unforgettable.
It stood there, bathed in the day's last light, a silent promise fading into the horizon. A chapter closed, a journey paused. Sometimes, we walk away from things we once cherished, believing their story is over. But what if every ending is just a new beginning waiting to ignite? Because sometimes, the most broken things can become the most beautiful. You just have to believe, and be willing to build. Watch this abandoned car come back to life. This is my story of transformation. What's yours?